Typical 4-bedroom detached heat loss of about 7 kilowatts. So this is about 7 kilowatts. So this is the 7 kilowatt version, the HPA-O Plus. So it's got an output of about 8 kilowatts-ish. Minimum clearances, requires one power supply. It's on 290, it's really efficient. It's currently running at about a COP of about 800%. It's not actually that cold at the minute, but we'd expect to see efficiency of around 500–600% annually. Easier install, obviously it sits down to the floor, it comes with a skirt. This is an optional extra, we fit this. You've got pipeworks out the rear, it comes with a handy box now. Just water in this system, no antifreeze, no glycol. So this unit is capable of delivering flow temperature of up to 75 degrees for hot water production only. We wouldn't recommend running that in heating. So currently this unit's running, bear in mind this is the beginning of what we would typically see the heating season. In hot water mode, we're seeing a COP of 550%, which is unprecedented for sort of normal heat pumps, especially when the cylinder target temperature is at 60 degrees currently. R290 is giving us the high temperature that we need to deliver hotter hot water for larger properties that have got more hot water demand.
The heat pump seemed to be the obvious route to go down, full electrification. It's been brilliant. So much more comfortable now. It just sits there ticking away in the background all the time. Seems to be running very, very efficiently, and it's just much more comfortable, especially combined with the MVHR. We're just getting a nice steady, warm, fresh feeling of air in the house. I mean, in terms of noise, you hear so many stories about how noisy these things are, and to be quite honest, you need to be standing in front of the heat pump to know that the thing's running. It's quieter than the fridge, and the same with the MVHR. It just sits there in the background, probably quieter than our old gas boiler, to be honest.
This is a MVHR unit by STIBEL ELTRON. It's a VRC 450 Premium, 450 cubic meters an hour. Main function of this is to provide ventilation and extraction to your home. Common misconception is they need to be in really airtight homes. Half an air change an hour is perfect for. So this will recover about 95%-ish heat out of the ventilation air. So currently this is probably reducing his heating capacity and his heating bills by about 35%.
We've known Nick for a long time, know he's a STIBEL installer, and STIBEL, you know, the proper German quality, really robust materials. It's all set up ready for us in a maritime environment. We've got no concerns about corrosion in the future, just a really solid piece of kit.
One app and a inclusive parts and labour warranty of 7 years. Same build quality as the sort of heat pump you'd expect from STIBEL ELTRON. So all in all, it's sort of a very good package. We'd expect the energy use of this building currently is, for heating and ventilation, is around 500 watts an hour, which is 10–12 pence. So when it's on, so this thing the MVHR will run all the time, by the way. You don't turn these off. It's got a built-in humidity sensor, so it manages itself for extraction. It will ramp up and ramp down based on humidity. There's no requirement for boost switches or anything else like that. Right, so this is the internal setup for the new Plus version. The main controller, which is WPM, and then you've got the ISG. This is in the service gateway for monitoring. We'll get back to that in a minute. 300 litre cylinder. This is a 100 litre buffer, but this has been set up as a volumizer. The system was a little light on volume, so we installed this. So this is set up as a front end volumizer. Up there we've got the 3 kilowatt heater. It's a backup heater only. We use that for just as an emergency, just a bit of belt and braces. Getting back to the ISG, so this bit's really important. Gives you complete remote monitoring, energy management, and maintenance logging, faults, anything like that, so we can help the client remotely rather than doing a site visit. Inside there's an FET, which is on the wall. That's a basic single zone, what we would class as a bufferless system now.